Today we will discuss about PCOS. Polycystic ovary syndrome (PCOS) is a complex hormonal disorder, and its exact cause is not fully understood.
Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
However, several factors are believed to contribute to its development. Insulin resistance. Many women with PCOS have insulin resistance, where the body's cells don't respond well to insulin. This can lead to higher insulin levels, which may cause the ovaries to produce more androgens, male hormones, disrupting ovulation. Hormonal imbalance. PCOS is often associated with an imbalance of reproductive hormones. Increased levels of androgens can interfere with the normal development of eggs in the ovaries, leading to problems with ovulation. Genetic factors. PCOS can run in families, suggesting a genetic component. If a close relative has PCOS, your chances of developing it may be higher. Low-grade inflammation. Women with PCOS often have a type of low-grade inflammation that stimulates polycystic ovaries to produce androgens, which can contribute to heart and vascular problems. Excessive androgen production. The ovaries in women with PCOS may produce higher than normal levels of androgens, which can interfere with the development of ovarian follicles, prevent normal ovulation, and lead to the formation of cysts. PCOS can vary in severity, and its symptoms include irregular periods, excessive hair growth, acne, and fertility problems. Managing symptoms often involves lifestyle changes, medications, and sometimes hormone therapy. For patients of PCOS, polycystic ovary syndrome, kalonji and saffron will help. Try to find the best quality of saffron. Black seed, kalonji, 150 grams. Pure saffron, saffron, 5 to 10 grams. Good quality honey 250 grams, or 300 grams if you need the paste to be less viscous. Grind black seed, kalonji and saffron together, mix honey and the ground kalonji plus saffron. You will have a beautiful paste. Pour it in a jar and wait till it cools down before closing the cover. Take 1/2 teaspoon on an empty stomach and wait for 2 hours for the breakfast. Within 2 weeks, you will observe a big change in your body, improvement and strength in your immune system, digestion power going to its top mark, elimination of headache, migraine, gaseous vapors, hyperacidity, throat infections, runny nose, asthma, cough, bronchitis, etc. The paste will help women with menstrual cramps, irregular monthly periods and amenorrhea, not recommended during pregnancy. Kalonji has a positive effect on liver diseases. One of its most obvious uses is for diarrhea and dysentery, combined with astringent. The seeds also are a rich source of sterols, especially beta-sitosterol, which is known to have anticarcinogenic activity. This substantiates its use for indurations and/or tumors of the abdomen, eyes and liver. Kalonji seeds are combined with various purgatives to allay gripping in colic and also help kill and expel parasites. It is also used as a diuretic to relieve ascites, coughs, eye sores, hydrophobia, jaundice, paralysis, piles and fever. Saffron is used as a nerve sedative and for fevers, melancholia and enlargement of the liver. It also has stimulant, rejuvenative, expectorant. It is also used in spasmodic cough and asthma and catarrhal affections of children. It is also given in anemia, chlorosis and seminal debility. It also strengthens the heart, brain and liver. Saffron induces menstruation and treats period pain and chronic uterine bleeding. Saffron contains a chemical called crocin, which has been determined to increase the oxygen content of the blood, which may in turn reduce plaque buildup in artery.